Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing, and today we're going to unbox the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go. This is a 12-inch laptop, and this one is powered by an i5 processor, a 1035 G1. And I love little laptops like this, so I was eager to pick one up and check it out. Now, as I unbox this, I do want to let you know, in the interest of full disclosure, that I paid for this with my own funds. I needed a smaller laptop here to work with on the channel for different things, and that's what this one is going to be used for. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing it or approving it before it gets uploaded. And let's take a look at what's inside here. One thing I like about the Microsoft devices is that the build quality is always very nice, and this one is no exception. And as you can see here, it's already booting up for us to get going. Now this one is the 8GB model. It's kind of the mid-range version. It has the i5 1035 G1 processor inside. I don't know if this has got a fan on board. I'm not seeing any vents on it, so I don't know if it's a fan. Oh, it's got vents in here, so it is not fanless, and I'll let you know in the full review that we'll do a little later how much noise it makes. But again, I really like this form factor. You've got a nice aspect ratio on the screen, kind of a square aspect ratio. This reminds me a lot of the 12-inch MacBook, which I really like quite a bit, that Apple discontinued, but it does feel a bit heavier, and it's definitely thicker than that machine is. And again, we're going to have a full review of this coming up soon on the main channel. It does have a touch display on it, but it's not a tablet like the other Surface Go is. And we'll silence Cortana there. So it is more of a laptop, but a very shiny one at that. Now for ports, we've got a full-size USB port here. This is probably a USB 3 port. We have a USB Type-C port, which is a full-service port, so that should charge the laptop and also allow us to use data devices, docks, and that sort of thing. We got a headphone jack over here, and then over here you've got the Microsoft Power Connector, and this is a magnetic breakaway thing. We did record this section of the video already, and I had my microphone off, so we're doing it again now that everything is out of the box. So the only other things left in the box are the power adapter and the US power cord here. And this will connect magnetically to the power port there, and it very easily breaks away. So when somebody trips over the laptop, it just pulls this out and your laptop stays on the desk. My daughter almost wrecked her Chromebook this morning because her Chromebook doesn't have one of these magnetic breakaways. It's good to see Microsoft still including that. And you can attach this either way. The power adapter looks like it's 39 watts according to its label here. Just your basic little power brick. But again, you could power it through the USB Type-C port if you want. The keyboard feels pretty nice. I haven't typed on it much yet, but it does have nicely spaced keys. They are a little smaller than full size perhaps, but the spacing here seems to work, and it's got decent travel on them as well, and we'll cover more of that in detail in the full review. The trackpad feels really nice here. It's a nice metal casing, just like all of the other Surface devices have had, and for the price point here, it feels pretty good. It is a bit larger though, or thicker I should say, than the 12-inch MacBook that I've been using for the last 5 years. You can see here just the two of them together and how much bigger actually the Microsoft version is, but they do have about the same screen size and aspect ratio. So all in, I am excited to start playing around with this thing because I really did need a smaller Windows machine for some of the things that we do here on the channel. So we're going to have a full review of this coming up very soon. Stay tuned for that. And until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Brian Parker, Jim Peter, Tom Albrecht, and Chris Allegretta. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.